You know how desi garbage trucks shake us awake with those loudspeaker announcements about recycling? Taiwan's garbage trucks take this MO a step further. They play classical music to cajole residents into coming out to load the trucks, like a positive Pied Piper guiding people to dispose of their trash responsibly.
这个音乐听到我们就知道我们要该倒垃圾，就很方便。哎，对对对，不会啊，不会，嘿嘿，因为我一个人的话，我大概2天的份量，所以我2天来倒一次，因为这样也可以跟邻居啊、朋友聊聊天啊，什么很好。
What music do they play, you ask? For one thing, Beethoven's legendary Fiorelisa is a common sound playing through the streets of Taipei. Then there's the lesser known A Maiden's Prayer by Tekla Bondazhevska-Baranovska, which has actually become famous on YouTube because of these Taiwanese garbage trucks. No harsh noise, no loud announcement. This entire melodic arrangement has turned trash disposal into a habit for people. According to the podcast Formosa Files, this whole thing may have started in the 1960s when Japanese garbage trucks preloaded with this music came to Taiwan. However, Xiu Shi-Xiun from Taipei's Department of Environmental Protection told AFP that Taiwan imported German garbage trucks pre-programmed with Fiorelisa. Either way, no one is really sure how Maiden's Prayer was added to this playlist. What is interesting is that since the 60s, everyone has grown up hearing this sound and come to associate it with stepping out with their garbage bags. So, residents of Taiwanese cities have been conditioned into having a reaction to the music, turning cleanliness into an instinctive practice. This begs the question, can civic sense be programmed into human minds with such calls to action? Compared to Taipei's 2% recycling rate in 2000, it's now nearly 67%. The amount of garbage sent for incineration has also fallen by 2/3, according to what Xiu told AFP. Clearly something is working. Is it the music? If negative reinforcements like fines don't work, perhaps habit-forming nudges like the enjoyable music from these trucks could be worth considering. In populated countries like India, where effective and eco-friendly waste management is still a new concept, would it make sense to try something like this? Perhaps garbage trucks playing some AP Dillo?